2019 Honda Civic Sport. It has a push start. If you can see here, you need to just have your keys inside. It's an automatic transmission, EPB, electronic park brake, and it has a brake hold feature. It has just two pedals, if you can see. It's a brake and it's acceleration. It doesn't have a third pedal, and these are metallic because Civic Sport model. It comes with metallic plate with rubber grips on it. Right, we'll just see like how the startup happens. You just have your keys inside, then your foot on the brakes, and then here we go. See how the exhaust sounds on the backside. If you see, it has a center exhaust, and this is the backlit. How it looks like. This is the muffler exhaust. It has HID projector, and the sport model gets the fog lamps. I can show you. These are the fog lamps on the bottom. These ones give good visibility in the night and in the snow. Alright guys, this is it. Honda Civic 2019. See you next video.